Baby J got a new haircut? Give me those hiccups. Baby J got the hiccups. Look at that haircut. Mommy went to CVS, okay? Give me those hiccups. Those are Daddy's hiccups. Look at that haircut. You're a real skater, Jay. You did a hiccup? That wasn't a hiccup. That was a fart. Give me that hiccup. Give me those hiccups. You don't do hiccups with Daddy. Give me those hiccups. Ooh, you're trying to kick Daddy? Ooh, you're in trouble. Give me those hiccups. Look at that beautiful... Those are Daddy's hiccups. You're a good boy, Jay. Mommy's going to get candy and diapers because you need diapers. Give me those hiccups. All right, Baby Jay, give Daddy a kiss. 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 Give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. You're a good boy. I love you. Give me those hiccups.